If you're approaching retirement age, or if retirement isn't too far off, what sounds scarier? Having an asset class that you can control whether or not it grows, or a big chunk of your net worth being in the stock market, which who knows what could happen? Crazy things could happen. If you look at the stock market, there's no way to say anything other than we are on a wild ride. International markets are crazy. The US markets are crazy. I don't know when it will settle down. When you think about all the different asset classes, of course, the stock market's a huge one. There's real estate, but there are other asset classes that are harder for people to invest into, primarily owning small businesses. I want to invest in businesses that are smaller, where I can have a more meaningful control over the success or failure of that business. Again, we're living in turbulent times. My partner and I are firm believers in buying businesses, growing them as a means not only to preserve wealth, but also to grow it. If you look at the most successful people in the world, did some of them get rich by investing in the stock market? Absolutely. I mean, look at hedge fund managers, for example. That's a great example of people that have been very successful. I mean, billionaires probably, purely by unique trading strategies in terms of public equities, public debt, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, how many hedge fund managers are there out there? Not a ton. And are there any hedge fund managers out there that are living a very comfortable life? Not really. So let's throw out the hedge fund piece of this. If you look at the other category of people that tend to make the most money, I would be hard pressed to find any other category other than business owners. Look at who's running the government right now. Trump, Elon Musk, a lot of the other people in the cabinet, they all accumulated their wealth through business ownership. And I don't have any aspirations of owning a billion-dollar company, but companies that are in the 10 to 100 million in revenues range, or probably 10 to 250 million dollars in revenue, that's a size range that I think is very attractive for people to try to have access to.